Hello, uh, this is my AR VR presentation, and let's see first what I made, and then I'll explain what things I have used and how I did it.
I had a series of visions when I was younger. And after each one ended, the same thought would be stuck in my head.
What did you see?
I saw a nun.
Have you wondered how you could have found such a treasure? The gods have a plan for you, a destiny. Have you wondered how you could have found such a treasure? The gods have a plan for you, a destiny. Have you wondered how you could have found such a treasure? The gods have a plan for you, a destiny. Have you wondered?
So yeah, this is my project. This is how I did my room, and let's see now I can explain without music. So yeah, so these are the planes I used, and then I put those pictures on them, and these are the fire, like using particles. Those are like, the fire is working. And yeah, so these are the light effects. And if I go here, like I put ray casting here, and it detects the player, and then it initiate these assets and create these effects. So yeah, that was the ray. And here, like, if I go here, I hit and the collision happens, and then these asset initiates. And another thing, the music also starts, and when, like, I wanted to do that, when the collision overs, this asset should be remain same, but the music should play, like, till like almost 40 seconds or something like that. So while collision exit, I put like a audio source pause, but I use enumerator and wait delay key for 40 seconds, and that's how, like, in exit happens, and then at that event it is stopped till that time, and then it pause. Yeah. And here, like, yeah, it detects, like, ray, and then it's generate these lights and everything. And the idea was, like, okay, this is like a fallen angels, and he can't come out of this protection. And yeah, so it was kind of mythological fun. So these pictures were also, like, mythological, like, the books and this thing, and that was the advantage hell. Not religious, but it was fun to create this thing. And using this ball, I can, like, uh, uh, destroy this door, and this the new room opens up for me. And here is this goddess, and then when it sees me, and it lights up, and, like, and these effects works. So yeah, this is the overall my project. And if we see the code wise, let's say this one, first in the collide. And here, okay, so in the collision I have audio source, and these are these I'm initiating this at the vector, like where the collision happening. But since I wanted to generate these fire like effects at different places, so I created these for loops, and then based on that I changed the coordinates, and it's happening. And here, as I was explaining it, like on collision exit I used enumerator, and it delays like for 40 seconds, and then after that it stops. And then here is pickup. Yeah, so I use this distance, like I'm checking, like, okay, if this the player is far from 1.5, then it should not do anything. And if like my mouse is down, it means I want to pick that object, and then the distance is less than 1.5, so it works. And then I can put this force to throw that object. And yeah, so this is was. And then if we talk about ray, so this was the ray casting. And yeah, so I put on the object this ray, and so the rays, like the object is emitting those rays. And then when it detects the player, and it initiate these different transforms. So yeah, so these were the basic scripts I used, and then created, and the first person also. And after that I used like slight modification in this script for other effects. And these are the sounds. And yeah, and as I was saying, if you see here, uh, here I'm putting these transformations, like this is my variables, and here I can put that. And then for ray and for collision, different thing, I can make those changes. So yeah, this is my presentation. Thank you so much.